So I'm gonna do a quick review of this, but I may have to mess with the music a little bit. It's basically a Bluetooth turntable, and we got miles, of course. Now, as we unbox this, it comes in a rugged case. These look like some pretty decent speakers. It reminds you of just like a suitcase. You open this up, it's like this here. All right. I haven't used a turntable in I don't know how long. We'll do the second part in a minute. All right, let's see how it goes. I don't want to get a copyright strike, but as you can see, sounds decent.